started out Tesla, I thought maybe we had optimistically a 10% chance of succeeding. And here we are today. Damn. We're really entering a new phase of Tesla's future and scaling to extreme size. As you can see from this building, it's not small. This is the machine that builds the machine. The factory is the product. Relative to production, prototypes are easy. Production is hard. And this building is the most advanced car factory that Earth has ever seen. And now let us deliver our first Tesla cars made in Texas.